Hey everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I thought that I would show you how to make a delicious and cheesy pasta gratin, which is basically just like a pasta casserole, but it's like creamy and cheesy and absolutely delicious, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to get started on our custard. So I have about 6 cups of heavy cream here. This is in no way, shape, or form healthy, but it's still delicious. And I'm using about 9 egg yolks here. Get every bit of that. And I'm using 1/4 of an onion, but I normally use shallots. And I have about 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. And then I have a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of each, and just giving that a good mix. Okay, and now I cooked some elbow pasta for about 5 to 6 minutes, just like cook them. And now I'm just straining them, giving them a good shake to get rid of any excess water. Right, and so now I'm just going to drizzle it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil so that our pasta doesn't stick, and give that a good mix. Okay, so now I'm taking a 9x13 baking pan and just spraying some non-stick cooking spray, and now we're going to start layering our gratin. And so I'm just taking some elbow pasta, just trying to cover the bottom layer of the pan, make sure it's nice and even like I'm doing here, and just season it with some salt and some pepper. And now we're taking some sharp cheddar cheese, a lot of cheese, and now I'm taking some Parmesan cheese, and then I'm going to pour our custard, about half of it, and then I'm going to do the whole layering process over again. So we got our pasta, season it with some salt and some pepper, add some cheddar cheese, add the Parmesan cheese, and add our last bit of custard. Okay, and now I'm just going to cover this with some foil and make sure it's nice and tight because we still need to cook the rest of the pasta. And I'm going to bake this for 45 to 50 minutes in 350-degree oven. Okay, so it's been about 45 to 50 minutes so far, and so now I'm going to take the foil off and pop it back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes so that cheese can get nice and golden brown on top. Okay, and this is what it looks like. You want to let this set for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the custard can set. And there you have it. And there you have it, a delicious pasta gratin. I really hope you enjoyed this video, you guys, because I, as always, enjoyed making it for you. And if you did like it, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos of mine. But until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.